Motivating workers by giving them praise and recognition can be considered a direct application of positive reinforcement. Nevertheless, recognition is such a potentially powerful motivator that it merits separate attention. Also, reward and recognition programs are a standard practice in business and non-profit firms. Pride, on the other hand, is the reason or a motive that makes recognition an effective motivator. I would like to show you something. Recognition is a strong motivator because it is a normal human need to crave recognition. At the same time, recognition is effective because most workers feel they do not receive enough recognition. Right, guys?
Yeah!
However, praise is not an adequate substitute for compensation. Employees tend to regard compensation as an entitlement. That means employees have the right to receive compensation, whereas recognition is perceived as a gift. That means the employer voluntarily gives something to his employee without compensation. As an employer, you have to identify a meritorious behavior and recognize that behavior with an oral, written, or material reward. An outstanding advantage of using recognition as a motivator is that a person can give it with a little or no cost, yet it can still be powerful. Thus, in comparison to cash bonus, recognition has an enormous return on investment.
Excuse me, may iba pa bang dapat kong malaman para mas maintindihan ang reward and recognition programs?
Well, there are 5 points to consider to better understand and implement reward and recognition programs. Oh, a cinema! First, feedback is an essential part of recognition. Second, praise is one of the most powerful forms of recognition. Third, reward and recognition programs should be linked to organizational goals. Fourth, employee input into what type of rewards and recognition are valued is useful. And fifth, it is important to evaluate the effectiveness of the reward and recognition program. Oh, a cinema theater! Would you like to go inside and check the movie? Did you like the video?
Yeah!
Great!
Hi, pwede magtanong? Alam mo ba kung anong pride?
Pride is a reasonable or justifiable self-respect. It is also a feeling of happiness that you get when you did something good or difficult. Striving to experience the emotion of pride most likely stems from the desire to satisfy the needs for self-esteem and self-fulfillment. Managers can take steps to motivate their pride. A key tactic is for the manager to set his or her impulse on pride, not money. The most effective way to build your employees' pride is by identifying and recognizing their small achievements that will instill pride in your people. Now that I've told you everything I knew about recognition and pride as motivation, I bet our journey ends here. See you next time! Ooh la la!
Created using Powtoon.